Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Shariel if you're new, and if you're returning, thank you for coming back. Today is day 5 of my 21-day sewing challenge. Today I'll be showing you guys how I made this blouse. I got the dress for only $15 and I turned it into this really cute Victorian style blouse. So let's get right into the video. If you know me, you know I like to save money. That's a part of my channel, being frugal. I got the dress for only $15. Got it from Burlington Coat Factory. This is how the dress looked when I bought it. So here's a closer look at the dress. The neckline is a crew neck, which I wasn't into. The bottom of this dress had scalloped edges, and that's what really attracted me to it. So what I did was cut the dress to make it into a top, and with the bottom I used the scallop edges to create a new neckline. This is what the top looked like once I attached the new neckline. This is the front. This is the back of the shirt, and I have to put in an invisible zipper so I can get into it. These are the supplies that I'm going to need to do this invisible zipper. The first thing is a seam ripper. The second thing is a needle and thread. The third thing is the invisible zipper. And the last thing are a pair of scissors. So the first thing I'm going to do is thread the needle. And I'm showing you guys again the back of the shirt before I add the zipper. Here I'm lining up the right side of the zipper to the right side of the shirt before I begin basting. And as you can see, I'm hand sewing the zipper into the shirt. This is the invisible zipper fully basted. Because the zipper is hand sewn, it's secure and ready to be sewn by machine. I've completed sewing the zipper by machine, and the next step is to take out those old basted stitches. The basted stitches are taken out now, and this is how it looks from the inside of the shirt. And this is what the invisible zipper looks like on the outside of the shirt. And before you can be officially done, the last test is to see if the zipper opens and closes smoothly. If you got this far in my video, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, because I am consistent, you can subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button if you want to see right when I post, and also share this with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. You are appreciated.